When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hey Lightning fans, John Browning with ProCare here, your textile and hard surface cleaning experts. It's been almost 30 years since Lisa and I started our business right here in Bellevue, and now we've grown to serve the greater Middle Tennessee area. One reason we started our business was to be able to give back to our community. We've been very fortunate to do so by previously supporting Hillwood High School and now supporting James Lawson High School. Doug Hall, who was my track coach at Hillwood, was a great man, coach, and teacher who made a huge impact on my life. So ProCare is continuing to invest into the athletic programs at Lawson High School to help coaches make the same impact that Coach Hall had on me. Our goal is to continue giving along with others in order to make James Lawson High School the best equipped school in Nashville. So whether you're a Hillwood alumni, a business owner, or a resident of the Bellevue community, please consider giving to either the academic, arts, or athletic programs at Lawson by visiting Give2Lawson.com. That's Give2Lawson.com. Thank you for your support, and let's go Lightning!